Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video. I am helping out with band camp this week, but I am on lunch break, so I wanted to do a quick video. Look what I got in the mail. This is product. Let's see if I can bring you guys. See, it is beautiful. Oops. We have a postcard from Angie and her family, which is the founder of Mason Grove Farm. Then we have, excuse me, then, ooh, I have a product catalog. That's going to be real helpful. Look how stinking cute this is. I love the farmhouse style. Let's see if I can. Let me put you back down. I'm going to have to do this. So I hope everyone is having a good day. Wow. Y'all, it smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sorry. I had to move that out of the way. This is, let's see if I can get it. Okay. This is our, oh, this is so pretty. This is our cleansing oil, our gentle cleansing oil. And it helps improve the texture and the tone of your skin. With the ingredients, it has avocado oil, infused with organic lavender flowers, calamine flowers, and calendula flowers. That is so pretty. Put it back in this so that way. And it comes in this little travel bag. How stinking cute is that? Oh my goodness. I have another one of them. So let's see what else is in here. Oops. And this, whoops, let's see. That is our goat milk soap. And it has shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, goat milk, lavender, and spearmint oils in it. And let's see. I'm going to open it up and see. I mean, it's so stinking cute. And I love the packaging. That's the little wrapper, the little rubber band. Oh, it's got two in it. See? That is so calming. Oh, that is the goat milk soap. I got two of them. Wow. Okay, let's see. And our goat milk soap, it is safe for all skin types. I have really sensitive skin. Uh-oh. Okay, my band just broke. excuse me, I have really sensitive skin. So I've been using the goat milk soap because I know that it is all natural and there's no added chemicals in it or all that, and I'm actually able to use it. So there are products out there that I have used. I'm not going to name any names or anything, but I just want to make sure it's closed so that way it doesn't get damaged or anything. So yeah. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? We have what is this? Came in a wrapper. Oh. Okay. Whoops, I shouldn't have shook it. But you see how colored the blue tansy will go up here, but you shake it real good, and see, it's the blue tansy, and it says the ingredients is apple cider vinegar, artichoke leaf extract, vitamin E oil, lavender, blue tansy, witch hazel. Ooh, this should be good. This is part of our skincare. I'm gonna smell it. I'm a smeller. Sorry. It smells like. It smells like you can smell the witch hazel in it. So I'm gonna wrap this back up so that way it's not anyway, the blue tansy, it sorry, I'm reading my notes. It clears congested pores. It balances pH level of the skin, reduces inflammation and puffiness. Ooh, so see these bags under my eyes? I wonder if they'll work for that. We'll have to see. And I'll give everybody an update. How about that? Okay, what else is in here? Let's see. And this is our reusable bamboo caddy. And it has its own little bag. So that way, once you use one, you can stick them in here and then close it up real good and then toss it in to the wash machine. So that way you can clean them. But these, it has like the little pockets in it so that way you can do your face. But it actually has 4 layers. It has 2 here, as you can see. And then here, it has 2 layers. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got 2 layers. And then you just toss them in here. The dirty ones, you just toss them in here and then stick them in the wash machine. So that way they can get washed. And so that way they're reusable. Saves money. Okay. I'll stick that back in there. Kind of it. Okay. Let me stick all these over here. Okay. this? I love how it's the natural wrapper. Ooh, I can smell it already. Here is the body balm. This is what I'm needing since band camp is in session. See all this sunburn? But it comes on with a screw top. Oh, it's got a lid on. And then you just take and I just don't want to pop it out. I meant break it. Oops. Okay. I'm going to have to work with that. So, yeah, I'm just going to have to work with that later because I don't want to mess it up. And right now I'm kind of pushed for time. Look how stinking cute. That is our facial balm. And it has East and West African shea butters that contains tree nuts, tallow, beeswax, olive oil, rosehip oil, and this helps natural and effective, holds in moisture throughout the day, easy to use and travel friendly, and it's safe for all skin types. You guys, you can see it's just like a cream. I cannot wait to start using this. What else is in here? And here is our spot fix. This is used for, or the ingredients is beeswax. Should have put my glasses on. Sulfur, charcoal powder, pumpkin seed, buckthorn on, tea tree, and blue tansy. And all. Ooh, it smells so good. Am I going the right way? Yeah. It's a spot fix. Can we done that? That's the ice pack that helps keep everything cool. What is this? That is our spearmint. The camera focus. That is our spearmint lip balm. And it has shea butter, which contains tree nuts, olive oil, tallow, beeswax, coconut oil, and spearmint oil. And it provides your lips with hydration, protection, and restores moisture. Helps to protect the lips from the UV rays. It soothes irritation. Can be used to treat dry hands, knees, elbows, and it is safe, effective, and natural. But how stinking cute is this? This reminds me of the little tin candies that you used to get back in the day. Oh my goodness. It smells like spearmint gum. And this is a cream as well. And this is our, let me move this ice pack out of the way. This is our blue night cream. I love this little vintage jar. It smells so good. And what is good about this, everything is made in the United States. And this was actually hand poured in the mountains of Tennessee. I'll stick this back in here so that way it doesn't. Sorry, I keep looking at the time so that way I know I'm not late. And this is oh, this is our clay mask. Oh my god. It smells like vanilla cake or vanilla icing. Oh my goodness. And this was actually hand poured in the Tennessee mountains. And then this is our, sorry, it's my cat. This is our mineral sea sponges. It comes with 2 in a pack. And it says that it provides gentle exfoliation, it removes dead skin cells, resulting in clearer, softer skin, provides multiple nutrients to the skin, including calcium, magnesium, sodium, iron, zinc, and potassium. Let's see. I'm trying to save the best for last. Let's see. And this is our clean hands. It's our clean hand sprint. You can smell the alcohol in it. And this says easy to carry and simple to use, helps prevent infections, helps fight against dry skin, safe and effective and natural. It says the CDC recommends either washing hands with soap and water or using hand cleansing products before and after eating, after using the bathroom, and after touching objects that are frequently touched by others. And the ingredients in our clean hands is sugarcane, alcohol, coconut oil, coconut water, lavender, and sea orange oil. I'll put that back in there because that is a glass bottle. Okay, so this is what I've been waiting for. Look, okay. I know everybody has been seeing that I've been posting like crazy about our collagen. Well, guess what? Look how big this bad boy is. It is a 30-day supply. This is our Collagen Plus. It has all 5 collagens in it. It's got, I'm not going to say every ingredient because I've done posted about it. But 1 scoop or either a half a scoop. I will start taking this and letting everybody know my results along the way. And so that is everything in my kit. And if you need or have any questions or want to order one of these products, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. But I am going to go for now so that way I can get back to band camp. Bye, y'all.